Hey, what's up guys? In this presentation, we are working on this problem E5.3. We're supposed to write a program that reads an integer and prints how many digits the number has by checking whether the number using this method pretty much, and so on. Assume that all integers are less than 10 billion. If the number is negative, first multiply it with -1. So first we need to open Eclipse. We need to make a new Java project. I'm gonna call this one E5.3 Prezi. And then from right here, I'm gonna make a new class. I'm gonna call this class integer counter. Finish. I already have the code pre-copied, so I just pasted it here. And I'm gonna run through how the code works. So first, we use the Java util scanner, so this allows us to get user input. And then the first part of the code allows the user to see this message, which tells them to enter an integer. And then right here, we use the long instead of the int, the int, because some of the numbers are pretty long. So I decided to use long. And then this allows them to allows the user to have an input. And then the first thing that we did is if the number is negative, we multiplied by -1 to make it positive. And this helps us with the length later on. And then the next part of the code is and keep in mind that this only happens if the number is already negative, so it makes it positive. Then the next part of the code is the part where the length happen. This is how I get the length of whatever user input. So the first part is this is how it's gonna. I'm just gonna start it from the bottom just so it's easier to explain. So if the length is more or equal to 10, then the length equals 2. There's only 2 digits. And so on, but it works from the top to the bottom, and this allows it to like this is why I have this as the number is bigger. So if the number is bigger than this, then the length is 10, and our limit was right here, 10 billion, and so on. And then at the end, we have this message that prints at the end, the number plus number, which is this right here. Oh, actually plus number, which is the user input. So it will say the number plus whatever user input they added has the number, which is the length, and it will say digits. So let's try to test this code really quick. So it will say enter an integer, and then let's say I want to add 456, for example. Press enter, and then it will say the number 456 has 3 digits. I hope this was helpful, and see you guys in the next time.